Too many casserole dishes look interchangeable. Emile Henry is the big batch default, but HIC carries easier and OXO handles budget leftovers better. Choose by batch size, handling, storage, and cleanup. For substantial casseroles, choose the Emile Henry Modern Classics Rectangular Baker. Buy it for thick lasagnas, generous sides, and layered mains. Its deep 5-quart interior gives bigger recipes room, while easy grip handles help when it's loaded. You also get a 10 year warranty. The catch is weight. It's roughly 5.5 pounds before dinner goes in. Its unglazed base may also mark over time. Skip it for smaller recipes, tight storage, or lightweight carrying. When grip matters more than maximum volume, pick the HIC Lasagna Pan. Its lighter porcelain build and large loop handles suit weeknight casseroles, especially when bulky oven mitts make smaller grips awkward. But its 3-quart capacity limits deep layers and party-sized batches. Those slotted handles also need more attention during cleanup, and they occupy extra width. Skip it if you regularly build extra deep lasagna, need maximum 13B/9 capacity, or expect formal warranty coverage. For budget meals and leftovers, the OXO Good Grips 3QT glass baking dish with lid is the practical route. You get useful capacity, broad handles, and a fitted lid for storing what remains or carrying food to a gathering. Its appearance is more functional than decorative, so it won't dress up the table like ceramic. Baked residue may also demand extra scrubbing around the corners. Skip it if you want broiler use, polished presentation, or easier release. Big batches and deep layers, Emile Henry. Easier handling for smaller meals, HIC. Budget baking, transport, and covered leftovers, OXO. Before buying, check your recipe depth, cabinet width, loaded carrying weight, lid storage, and how much corner scrubbing you'll tolerate. Start with Emile Henry if generous casseroles justify the weight. Switch to HIC when secure carrying matters more than capacity, or OXO when price and leftover storage lead the decision. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.